Hi, I'm Ram Kumar. I'm head of digital transformation for GEA North America, responsible for leading the digitization and automation efforts for America's region. Oh, my biggest achievement to date has been on the automation side. What started as a one-person job, but now it is transformative and it's been made a global program, and we are implementing it across the organization. Now that's my achievement in my current role, but in my earlier roles, one of the significant achievements were implementation of the digitization efforts on the data side. Now I bring those two together. Now I feel excited about the AI journey. More now, it's all about Gen AI, because all these days we're doing task automation or creating metabots where multiple task bots are running together. Now I think the cognitive automation is what we will see more. And we talked about hyper automation. Now it's more about cognitive automation times 10, 10x, where the bots are learning, or when multiple users are creating bots and they connect with each other. So I think that's the world that I'm more excited to see, because now the awareness part is done. Now, initially it was more a push to the business in terms of automation. Now the key part is with Gen AI coming into play and people talking about Chat GPT and all this artificial intelligence becoming a mainstream discussion point. There is a huge scope focus on Gen AI cognitive automation. I think that's what is going to be a game changer for us. It's a new world order on the process side. I think this is the right time to get in. It's like either you get onto the bus or you miss the bus. So AI and automation are culminating together, and they're going to impact almost every industry and function within the organization, which will repurpose and redefine the roles of individual, which means the skill set that are needed are also getting redefined and upgraded. So every organization, small and big, will have some kind of AI and automation playing behind the scenes or before the customer. So the key thing for anybody who wants to get started, get on to this journey. It's an exciting journey because it's a continuous learning process. At the same time, the possibilities are limitless, and the only limit that you could have is your imagination.